Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the AOLON Watch Curve smartwatch, and as you requested, we are going to have a demo of one of its smart features. So this smartwatch has a support for the music control function. So we do have here a Bluetooth music control function. So let's have a demo of this feature. Let's try to play music on our built-in music player, as well as popular applications such as YouTube Music, Spotify. Okay, let's see if it will work. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding AOLON Watch Curve smartwatch, or you are interested to see whether the music control function, the Bluetooth music control function, works with the popular apps, watch this video. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start. And on our previous video, we already paired with the Smartwatch Support App. Okay, so we have here the notification feature. Let's see if there are some settings for the music control function. Others, time format, unit system, auto lock. As you can see here, control phone music. Synchronously display phone music information on the smartwatch. So we will activate this one. And I guess that's it. There's no more options here for the Bluetooth music control. Okay, we are paired, so let's start and test the Bluetooth music control of the AOLON Watch Curve. So let's open the Samsung Music. This is our built-in music player. Then let's open the music control here. Phone, stress, weather, shutter, player. Okay, as you can see here, we have the title, stop. Then next, let's see if it will play first. Go back. Nice. So we do have the volume adjustment here. Very loud speaker. Very good. Next. Okay. Stop. As you can see here, our Bluetooth music control function works with our built-in music player. And you can also adjust the volume directly here on the smartwatch. So we are listening on the speaker here, built-in speaker of the smartwatch. Very loud so far. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is one of the most clear and loud speaker that is available in a smartwatch. Very good for the AOLON Watch Curve. Again, let's see. Next. Go back. Stop. Okay, so it works with our built-in music player here. And as you can see, we also have a title. Very good so far. Next, Spotify. So let's see. We'll adjust the volume here. Okay. We don't want to have any issues with the copyright music. Dismiss. As you can see here, let's stop first the over the horizon. I think it's still okay. Okay. Next, let's see with this one. Okay, we'll let it load. Okay, still loading this one. So let's remove this. Okay, it's clear. And as you can see here, we have the song here, Grenade. Next song, Love Yourself. So it works. Next. Okay, Talking to the Moon, go back. Okay, so going back to the previous music will not work with Spotify. It only goes forward, just the way you are. Stop. Okay, so far it works with the Spotify app. Okay, there's no issues at all. Next, let's have a YouTube app here. Okay, let's listen to this one. Complete history, as you can see here. I guess we can listen to the sound here. Stop. Okay, so it works with the built-in music player here, as you can see. Adjust the volume, go back, stop. Next. Okay, Christian movies. Next. Still loading. But so far, as you can see here, the YouTube Music app works with our AOLON Watch Curve. Next, YouTube Music. Let's see if this will work with the YouTube Music. Hopefully it works, because it works with Spotify. It works with the YouTube app. Let's see. Okay, yes, as you can see, we do have the title. Next, play. So, My Sweet Lord. Stop. Next, Raise Me Up. Stop. Next. Yes, it works with our YouTube Music app. Okay, and at the same time you can adjust the volume of the music directly here on the wearable. So that is a very good feature for the smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. If you have a special request, also drop a comment below. Okay, again, please subscribe so we can provide more video review of the different features available on the smartwatch. Okay, so the next question that we are going to answer is that, what if we want to listen to the speaker here on our smartphone instead of the smartwatch? Remember earlier we listen on the smartwatch. We use the speaker of the AOLON Watch Curve. What if we want to use the speaker of the smartphone? Can we do that with the AOLON Watch Curve? Okay, so let's try. Okay, it will be our first time to try this one with the AOLON Watch Curve. Let's see if it will work. It works with other smartwatches, I do believe. Okay, so tap on the Bluetooth connectivity. We do have here the AOLON Curve. Okay, let's check. Tap on the settings. On other smartwatches, when we disable this one, it works. Okay, for some, okay, the Bluetooth will not work. The Bluetooth music will not work at all. Okay, so let's see. Disable. Then, next. Let's tap on our music player here. Okay, yes. Let's see if we increase the volume here. Oops. Next. Next song. Yes, as you can see here, or as you can hear, we are using the speaker of the smartphone instead of the smartwatch. So it works. Okay, if you want to use the speaker of the smartwatch or the smartphone, just disable the audio. But if you want to use the music of the smartwatch, enable the audio. Okay, so it works here with the AOLON Watch Curve. So far, we did not have any issues at all with the AOLON Watch Curve Bluetooth music player. It works well. You can adjust the volume here. You can see the title. You can go forward, pause, and play. So far, very good with our experience for the Bluetooth music control with our AOLON Watch Curve. Again, if you have any questions, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye!